Lino did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about him was always impossible to overlook. With a rare blend of precision, discipline, and quiet charisma, Lino didn't simply debut in the competitive world of K-pop. He crafted an identity of his own, transforming years of dedication to dance into one of the most respected performance careers of his generation. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on October 25, 1998, in Gimpo, South Korea, Lino's journey began far from the massive concert arenas he would later command. Long before becoming known as a member of Stray Kids, he developed a deep passion for dance and performance. His early years were defined by rigorous practice, patience, and an unwavering commitment to mastering his craft. Rather than seeking attention, he focused on improving his skills, laying the foundation for a future that would exceed even his own expectations. Before entering the idol industry, Lino gained valuable experience as a professional backup dancer. He notably performed alongside BTS during tours and major stages, an opportunity that exposed him to the demands of large-scale performances. Those experiences sharpened his stage awareness and strengthened the discipline that would later become one of his defining traits. His path changed dramatically when he joined JYP Entertainment. Despite a relatively short trainee period compared to many idols, Lino quickly demonstrated exceptional growth. In 2017, he participated in the survival program Stray Kids, where his determination and resilience attracted attention. Following the group's successful debut in 2018, he officially became one of the key members of Stray Kids. As the group expanded globally, Lino established himself as one of K-pop's most polished performers. His sharp dance technique, controlled movements, and natural stage presence became central elements of Stray Kids' performances. Whether executing complex choreography or delivering emotionally charged stages, he consistently displayed a level of precision that earned admiration from fans and industry professionals alike. Beyond performance, Lino steadily revealed new dimensions of his talent. He contributed to vocal performances, variety appearances, and creative projects that showcased his versatility. His growth reflected an artist committed to continuous improvement rather than relying solely on existing strengths. By 2026, Lino is regarded as one of the most dependable performers in modern K-pop. Industry observers recognize his consistency, audiences appreciate his authenticity, and fellow artists often praise his professionalism. His career reflects careful development and a strong understanding of longevity within a highly competitive industry. Offstage, his lifestyle combines discipline with simplicity. Known for maintaining a structured routine, he places importance on physical fitness, practice, and personal well-being. Despite a demanding schedule, he consistently demonstrates balance, preferring a grounded approach to success rather than excessive displays of luxury. His fashion presence reflects understated confidence. Lino often favors clean silhouettes, contemporary streetwear, and refined casual styles. Whether appearing at public events or sharing everyday moments with fans, he projects an image that feels effortless and genuine rather than carefully manufactured. While public curiosity frequently surrounds his personal life, Lino remains selective about what he shares. He consistently keeps the focus on his work, artistic development, and connection with fans. Within the entertainment industry, he is often described as hardworking, focused, and quietly ambitious. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects years of success through music releases, world tours, endorsements, merchandise sales, and global activities with Stray Kids. Beyond financial achievement, he has earned substantial credibility as a performer whose reputation is built on consistency and dedication. What many fans find most compelling is the contrast between his powerful stage presence and his calm personality away from the spotlight. He often displays a thoughtful sense of humor, genuine affection for animals, and a reserved nature that allows audiences to see a more personal side of the artist behind the performances. Lino's journey is defined by steady evolution rather than sudden transformation. From backup dancer to internationally recognized performer, his rise reflects discipline, resilience, and continuous self-improvement. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of modern K-pop excellence, focused, refined, and built for lasting success. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. He did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about him was always impossible to overlook. With a rare blend of intellect, introspection, and commanding lyrical presence, RM didn't simply debut in the competitive world of K-pop. He crafted an identity of his own, transforming a deep passion for language and music into one of the most influential artistic voices in modern pop culture. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on September 12, 1994, in Ilsan, South Korea, RM's journey began far from the global spotlight. His earliest strengths were rooted in academics and curiosity. Known for his high IQ and exceptional academic performance, he developed a strong command of English at a young age, largely through self-study. Alongside academics, he cultivated a passion for poetry, writing, and music, gradually finding his voice through rap and lyrical expression. Before entering the mainstream industry, he was active in the underground hip-hop scene under the name Runch. There, he built credibility through raw lyricism and thoughtful themes, establishing a foundation that would later define his artistry. His decision to join Big Hit Entertainment marked a turning point, introducing him to a structured trainee system that would reshape his skills and direction. Years of disciplined training followed. Unlike many trainees, RM entered with a developed sense of artistic identity, focusing on refining his rap technique, songwriting, and production abilities. He also adapted to the performance demands of the K-pop industry, preparing for a role that would extend beyond music alone. In 2013, he officially debuted as the leader and main rapper of BTS. The group's early success quickly positioned them as a rising force, and RM's leadership became a central pillar of their growth. As both a creative contributor and spokesperson, he played a key role in shaping BTS's message and connecting with global audiences. His lyricism, thoughtful, reflective, and often philosophical, became one of BTS's defining elements. Through themes of identity, youth, societal pressure, and self-reflection, he contributed to a body of work that resonated across cultures. As BTS expanded into international markets, performing at major global venues and topping charts worldwide, RM emerged as a cultural bridge between East and West. His solo journey marked a deeper exploration of individuality. Through projects like Mono and his 2022 album Indigo, he presented a more introspective and experimental side of his artistry. The work blended alternative hip-hop with diverse musical influences, reflecting on identity, growth, and creative freedom. These projects reinforced his reputation as an artist driven by substance rather than convention. By 2026, RM is regarded as a multifaceted global figure. Industry observers recognize his intellectual depth and artistic consistency. Audiences connect with his authenticity, and cultural institutions view him as a representative of modern Korean artistry. His career reflects deliberate evolution, balancing global success with personal expression. Offstage, his lifestyle reflects calm sophistication and intellectual curiosity. He is known for his appreciation of art, literature, and museums, often engaging with creative works beyond music. His daily life emphasizes reflection, learning, and sustained creative focus. His fashion presence aligns with his persona. Favoring refined, minimalist aesthetics, he appears at global events with a composed and thoughtful style. His image is less about spectacle and more about quiet confidence and cultural depth. While public attention often surrounds his role as a global leader, he remains measured in what he shares personally. He consistently centers his narrative on growth, responsibility, and artistic direction. Within the industry, he is described as articulate, introspective, and deeply committed to his craft. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects earnings from global tours, album sales, brand collaborations, and solo projects. Beyond financial success, he has secured international credibility and lasting influence in both music and cultural discourse. What defines RM is intellectual honesty. He speaks openly about pressure, identity, and the complexities of fame, channeling these reflections into his music and public presence. This thoughtful transparency shapes his artistic identity. RM's journey is defined by depth rather than speed. From an underground rapper and student in Korea to a global cultural leader, his rise reflects discipline, vision, and a commitment to meaning. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of modern international artistry, composed, reflective, and built for lasting impact. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.